Hi folks, this is Ken Quick. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2019 2421 Forest River Class C motorhome. We're inside the 2421 Forest River 2019. Great little coach. It's perfect for a couple of people and an occasional extra. We've got a back bathroom with a walk-in closet, something a little bit rare in a short motorhome. We've got a nice slide out where the bed is. It slides up on top of the other mattress. Gives you an east-west slide with a nice comfortable bed. This coach is equipped with a nice refrigerator, oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, Corian countertops with an extension, nice little U-shaped dinette, TV up front, and extra storage. Great little coach, equipped with power mirrors, heated mirrors. If you're looking for a short Class C motorhome that's reasonable, this is the one. This is a really nice little coach that will serve you for many years. Thanks for spending a little time with me today and allowing me to show you this 2421 Forest River. Again, call Ken Quick at Guarantee RV, 208-250-8625 if you've got any questions about any of the coaches here at Guarantee RV. I look forward to working with you.